Okay, I got that little shimmy on the videotape. Oh, go ahead. Oh my. So now, Dad, do we have a few words from you about how you're feeling right now?
I'm feeling great. I'm so proud of Trina.
Oh.
The day father always looked forward to giving away his baby girl.
Oh, that is wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. Ooh. Mother, how are you feeling today?
How you doing, young man? Oh, fine, thank you.
This is JJ.
I can get a picture. Go ahead, Mother.
/friends.
Give us a few words.
Very good, very good.
Recently engaged.
Recently married.
And we're almost ready to walk.
Oh, very nice. Absolutely. Thank you.
Don't get the grill in there. So, this is crazy. I get married today. Wow. Oh yeah, I'm about to take it out after I get my makeup done.
Yes,
So,
go
yeah,
ahead.
So excited. This is happening. It's real. Not nervous. Just ready to go.
Thank you very much. And congratulations.
Thank you.